In today's fast-paced world, most of us spend hours sitting at desks or glued to our screens, only to feel stiff, sore, and sluggish by the end of the day. It's easy to brush off stretching as something you'll get to later, but neglecting your flexibility can lead to reduced mobility, chronic pain, and even injury. Here's the truth: just 10 minutes of stretching daily can transform your body, improve your posture, and energize your mind. Curious about the best way to start? Let's dive into a full body routine you can't afford to skip. The problem: tight muscles and stiff joints. Whether it's from a sedentary lifestyle, overexertion at the gym, or the natural effects of aging, tightness in your muscles and joints limits your range of motion. This stiffness doesn't just make simple tasks harder, it increases your risk of strains and injuries. You might think stretching requires too much time or effort, but with the right plan, you can achieve noticeable results in just minutes a day. The solution: 10-minute full-body flexibility routine. 1. Neck stretch. 1 minute. Sit or stand tall. Tilt your head to the right, bringing your ear toward your shoulder. Hold for 15 seconds, then switch sides. This releases tension in your neck and shoulders, areas that hold stress the most. 2. Shoulder rolls. 1 minute. Roll your shoulders forward in a circular motion for 30 seconds, then reverse. This loosens up stiff shoulders and promotes better posture. 3. Cat-cow stretch. 1 minute. Start on your hands and knees, arch your back, cow pose, and then rounded cat pose. This dynamic stretch warms up your spine and relieves lower back tension. 4. Standing forward. Fold. 2 minutes. Stand tall, then fold forward at the hips, letting your hands reach toward the floor. Slightly bend your knees if needed. This stretches your hamstrings, calves, and lower back. 5. Lunge with side stretch. 2 minutes. Step into a deep lunge with your right leg forward, hands on your knee. Reach your left arm overhead, stretching toward the right. Switch sides after 1 minute. This targets your hip flexors and obliques. 6. Seated butterfly stretch. 2 minutes. Sit with your feet together, knees out to the sides. Gently press your knees toward the ground. This opens up your hips and inner thighs. 7. Child's pose. 1 minute. Sit back on your heels with arms extended forward. This pose provides a relaxing full body stretch to end your routine. Why this works? This routine addresses all major muscle groups while enhancing blood flow, reducing tension, and increasing flexibility. The best part: it takes only 10 minutes, making it easy to fit into even the busiest schedule. Don't wait until stiffness or pain slows you down. Start this quick routine today and experience the difference in how your body feels: stronger, looser, and ready to take on anything.